Hey, second graders. We're talking about Wednesday's Back to School Center in Math, place value. If you're having a hard time seeing this slide, just come up here to Zoom and select 100%. And then scroll to the top so you can read your directions. Read them very carefully, and when you're ready, start your work. Here's your number. You have to find 10 more and 10 less. You can use paper and pencil to add and subtract. You could do it in your head, or you can come look at this hundreds chart to help you. Once you know your answer, you're going to click where it says type and select type and type in your number. And then you're going to come over here and type in 10 less. See how that just added the 8? What you're going to have to do is highlight it and put your number in. When you're done with all of these, make sure you scroll down to get the bottom ones too. You're going to leave the page and it will save in your Google Drive, or you can click Share and select your teacher, either Miss Fleming, Mrs. Krzywicki, Ms. Cobb, or Miss Bailey. And then when you do that, click Done. Then you're finished. I know you're all going to do a great job. Have a good day.